Met Office has in fact issued an early warning. Heavy, very persistent rain is on the way and is expected across Cumbria and southwestern Scotland tomorrow. The tops of the fells could get 100 millimetres of rain. That's 4 inches of rain, nowhere near as much as last time. But in any case, this is a large amount of rainfall. Some flooding will occur. It'll exacerbate the problems there. But as I say, not as bad as it was last time. But you'll still have to stay tuned with the weather forecast. Today, on the other hand, we've got squally showers around across the country. Not a pleasant day. The last of the squally rain will be felt across the southeast of England and East Anglia as we go through the course of the second half of the afternoon. The weather will be improving to an extent across the southwest of England. Here, very windy conditions. It's been blowing a gale along the south coast. It'll continue to be very windy through the course of the afternoon and evening hours. Some brightness around, but it's not a pleasant day out there. If you're stuck in the shower underneath the cloud, it's blowing a gale, 10 degrees, not pleasant. The same goes for Northern Ireland here. 1 or 2 showers, but generally speaking, the further north you are today across the UK, the better the weather tends to be. So, for example, across Cumbria today, apart from a few fleeting showers, the weather's not bad at all. And the northeast of England, for example, in Newcastle, here's some sunshine. And here's that squally rain across parts of Lincolnshire. Now, tonight, we've got the clear weather. The winds die down, and then it's all eyes towards the west of the UK. You can see the pool of blue, so the rain sweeping across Northern Ireland, getting into southwestern Scotland, Cumbria, and also parts of Wales. And with that, we've also got some very strong winds blowing out of the southwest. Gale force winds, much like today. In fact, gusts on some of the coasts, 60, maybe even 70 miles an hour. But it's the rain that we're watching, of course, across Cumbria. We could see something like 12 to 15 hours of persistent heavy rain, and as I said, up to 100 millimetres of rain expected over the fells. Most of us, though, across southwestern Scotland and Cumbria, getting around about 50 to 75 millimetres of rain. And then on Wednesday, lots of arrows, so gale force winds. That really will be the feature of the weather across the northern half of the UK. Even severe gales out at sea, 70 to 80 mile an hour gusts across some coasts, inland windy too, and plenty of squally showers rattling across the country for the middle of the week. So this week then, if you don't get the torrential rain like in Cumbria, you'll get the squally showers, the gusty conditions, waves crashing on the coast. Guess what? Thursday and Friday is looking fairly similar. So especially if you live in Cumbria and southwest Scotland, you might want to stay tuned with all weather broadcasts from the BBC.